So I'm going to show you how to do the candy wrapper wrapping. Super quick and easy. Oh my mess. Alright, today we're doing catnip toys. I found putting them in Ziploc bags first keeps kitties from trying to get them. So I'm going to take this cute little beaver, put it in a Ziploc bag, try to squish out as much air as we can, which of course releases the catnip smell and they bring me a kitty. Alright, they're just my wrapping helpers. It's all good. So, I've already cut this piece of paper. I have about 7 squares on each side. So, I'm going to fold it, a nice little line, got a piece of tape, tape it. Now, I'm going to fold this side a couple of times. It's not really that wide. And you can just roll it over. It's not a huge deal. A nice big piece of tape. Stick it. There we go. Perfect. Now, we need ribbon. Now this is some older ribbon, so it takes a couple of tries to get it to curl, but it's okay. So you're going to just cut off a randomly large amount. Find where about the middle is. Cut that. Now, flip it over, feel where the ends of it are, and go about an inch past that. Flip this over, slide it under, much more easily than I am, obviously. And find that spot that you found before, trying to make sure it's about even. Tie it like you're tying shoelaces, and then pull it gently, but hard enough to kind of crunch the paper but not tear it. This is harder with paper that is a little more soft. And here's Vinny, my helper. So we tied that side. Now we're going to take the other ribbon. Find that other spot. It's about there. You should, for a guide, you should be able to push your finger down and kind of squish flat. If that helps. Now we're going to tie the ribbon again. Pull it. Of course, you want to tie it a second time. Well, not quite tight enough. It's a little distracting. Fluffy kitties. Alright. It's pulled nice and tight. Now, take the scissors. You're going to take the edge, take your thumb and forefinger, hold as close as you can, and then put as much pressure as you can and pull. Now this is older ribbon. If you have fresh ribbon, this works in the first try. But as you can see, we still get some pearls. Now we do the other side. Now I've got the kitty, obviously. Thank you, Vinny. You're very helpful. As much as I appreciate his help. We're going to have to go this way. Thank you, baby. Now we're going to do the other side. There we go. Now you're just going to kind of lazily mush them together. That way it's kind of one little bow kind of looking thing. Cool. Now, take the candy wrapper end, flatten it down, take your scissors, a nice clean cut, do that with the other side, and try to make it about the same. Now with this one, I added little V's to make it spivvy, but for this, you can just leave it like that. Whoops. And rip it. There we go. And all done. Super easy. And this works for pretty much anything that is really hard to wrap and is not box shaped. So I hope that helped.